What's up, YouTube? And we back again with another video today. So what we're gonna be doing today is try not to sneeze challenge. You feel me? So if you sneeze, it's a wrap. Like, you feel me? You can't sneeze on it. You feel me? So me playing, you feel me? So today we got a nice little thing filled with black pepper, and then got a nice thing filled with laundry Tide. Tide, it make you sneeze a lot, like, you feel me? So, for y'all that didn't get it, so we gonna smell it. We gonna smell each one, and we can't sneeze. You can't sneeze on it at all, you feel me? And then we gonna smell this. You can't sneeze at all, you feel me? Don't inhale it. Don't sniff it up your nose, nigga. That shit got my eyes burning. Goddamn. But you feel me? You don't want to do that. You feel me? Just give it a nice little whiff, you feel me? And then just let it, like, come to you, you feel me? Like, you're going to start sneezing probably, you know, because it makes you sneeze a lot, you know what I'm saying? So, and the object is try not to sneeze. The object of this game is to smell it, black pepper, and laundry soap. So, let's get straight to it, man. So, first we're going to start with the black pepper, you feel me? I didn't sneeze, you feel me? Are we gonna keep doing it as long as it takes until I sneeze, you feel me? So if I don't sneeze, it's a dub. But if I sneeze, it's a loss, you feel me? And it's a challenge, you know? It can be a challenge, you know, everybody do it, share it, let other YouTubers know, anything, you feel me? So we gonna smell the soap. It did make me sneeze. That shit. I feel something coming on, you feel me? So we're gonna switch to the black pepper now. I still didn't sneeze. That's crazy. Damn, that's crazy. I'm eyes fucking up. But that's crazy, bro. Cause normally I'll be sneezing like a motherfucker on this shit. Especially when I cook and do anything with it. I'll be like, even when I just sniff it, like, I'll be sneezing like a bitch. So now we're gonna do the soap again, you feel me? I'm gonna play with it though. I'm gonna go like this, so get more of that smell. Still didn't sneeze off of it. Come on, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Sneeze, oh, something coming though, goddamn. Something coming. Oh shit. Whew, shit. We gonna keep going. Oh, it's coming though. I feel it though. Shit crazy. Nope, it ain't came yet. Now we're gonna do this. Oh shit! Damn, I'm finna fuck you.
Damn, I'm finna fuck us. Take a dope.
Shit. Told you this shit worked. Like and share. Get it all around. Folks. Get it viral. Let's get it popping. Let's go. We ain't gonna stop though. We gonna keep going. I sneezed off the soap. We gonna see if I sneeze off the black pepper though. Nope. They sneeze off of me for some reason. They sneeze off them. I'm gonna do the soap again. Nope. Hell no. But they got my eyes watery. Like a motherfucker though. They're gonna do that again. Nope. They sneeze. They sneeze. They sneeze. Shit. So what should I do? Should I keep going to like 2 more times and see if I sneeze? It's fucking with my nose now. God damn. Alright, let's do We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Let's keep going. That's what we're gonna do. I didn't sneeze like this. Alright, oh, let's sneeze off it. No, let's sneeze off it. No. Now, what we gonna do to spice this up a little bit, you feel me? That's what we gonna do. I'm gonna mix the soap and the black pepper, you feel me? So we gonna mix that and see if I sneeze off. We ain't gonna pour all of it though. We gonna pour this much because we need that, you feel me? That's money right there, you feel me? So we gonna mix it up. And in there real good, get that black pepper and the soap real good. Oh shit, shit got my nose right. God damn. So anyway, we finna fuck it up. So we got this right here, soap and black pepper. Mix.
Look at this dude.
Shit.
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
On this shit right here, you feel me? Soap and black pepper. Oh shit. Not making me sneeze. No cap though. Try this at home though. Share, you know. We
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
shit. God damn. Tag me in it on Instagram and let me know that y'all did it. And yeah, we gonna keep this going though, cause this shit really work. You feel me? So that's the end of this video, man. I'm finna close. But anyway, like, share, subscribe to this channel. You feel me? Let's get it on the road to 500. You feel me? Stay tuned. Posting a video later on today. It's gonna be up probably like an hour or something after this one.